Jonty, Auntie Lynn is having to cut up the chicken because it's so big. Look at the chicken burger being cut up. Compare that to a McDonald's chicken burger.
Yeah, look, I'm big enough.
That's the burger.
Look at her, Auntie. It's trying to get it in.
This is your mother's, now it's all churned up. Cool, I've never seen a burger that big.
What if I don't like a burger?
I know. Anyway, here's your mother. Do you want to see your mother eating? Have you ever tried to watch your mother eating?
Nice. Good burger. Nice though.
The weather's changed a little bit, Jonty. Yeah, the trees are blowing. Gone a bit dull. So yeah. You see the wind, the trees, can you see the leaves and the trees blowing a little bit? So how far's Auntie Linda got through that? Cool.